Hi everybody, it's Miss Kayson here with an example of how to solve a system of equations using the elimination method.
Stay tuned till the end for a practice problem to see if you really got it.
So notice that our system here, 6x minus 2y equals negative 16, and 4x plus y equals 1, is a system where neither of our variables are isolated. So when we have that situation, we're most likely going to use elimination. So now we're going to look at our variables. We want to ask ourselves, are there any variables that can be eliminated right away just from adding or subtracting? So we have 6x and 4x. Right away, combining those would not eliminate an x, since 6x plus 4x is 10x, and subtracting would only give us 2x, so it does not eliminate. And if you look at the y variables, that also is the case. We have negative 2y and positive y. Adding those together would not eliminate them, and subtracting them would not eliminate them either. So what that means is we need to use multiplication to rewrite one of the equations so that we can eliminate them. I'm actually going to go for the y values. What I noticed is that one of the y's is positive and one is negative, which is a good start. So we've got negative 2y and positive 1y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the second equation here by 2. So I have that 2 on the outside here. So I get 2 times 4x, that gives me 8x. 2 times y, that gives me 2y. And 2 times 1 is 2. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite the new system with the new equation. Okay, so now I'm going to add the two equations together, combine them so that we eliminate the y variables. So we have 6x plus 8x, which gives us 14x. Negative 2y plus 2y, that becomes a zero pair, so we've eliminated those. Then I get negative 16 plus 2, which gives me negative 14. Dividing both sides by 14, we get x equals negative 1. You all know I'm not done yet. Now we need to solve for y. So I'm going to go ahead and use the second equation because it is much more simple. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on our second page here. We know that x is equal to negative 1. So I'm going to use that second equation, 4x, which we can substitute negative 1 in. 4x plus y equals 1. So we get 4 times negative 1 is negative 4 plus y equals 1. Add 4 to both sides, and I get my y value of 5. Don't forget to state your answer as an ordered pair. So my final answer is negative 1, 5. Okay, here is that practice problem that I promised you. Go ahead and try this problem on your own and see if you got it. Wait till the very end to check your answer and see how you did. Okay, here's our solution. The solution to this system is 1, 4. Let me know how you did.